55, 54, 53, 52, 50.
Well,
I
like I
guess I
said,
don't.
have a good show. I just stopped by to say hey and see how you're making out, though, okay?
Yeah. Thank you for stopping by. That was that was
All right, I'll talk to you later,
John.
man. Have a good show.
Thank you. John left us. What if I could? I wanted him to try to do something, anything. That's okay, John. I really appreciate it anyway. 3, 2, 1.
Henry scrolls on works.
Ah, Henry!
Says, hey Al.
Hello, how are you? All right, let's see. I'm gonna go to the wide. I don't know. Oh yeah, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are around the world. Welcome, Henry. Welcome to Kilroy's world. Welcome to my messy shop, Paul. You have nothing on me as far as messy shop. But anyway, um, great to see you, Henry. So what am I doing? John was here a little bit ago, and we talked about some of the stuff I got, and I was sitting there. Let's see. Let me change this one. Showing him. No, not the little deals there. This thing right here, and it's not woodworking. Okay, there is some possible. No, that's just messy area. Let's see. No, not that one either.
Henry scrolls on works.
There is some possible.
Says, I'm doing feeling better today.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. There is some possible woodworking, maybe. We'll see. Nope, not the wide area. That's all messy. It's me here. This thing. So we were talking about this as John was logging off, and what it is I've got a bunch of old gear. There's something that I made there to it's called a dim bulb setup, and I've got some old equipment back there that partially works. So I'm just playing around with this stuff, trying to get it working, but I don't have anything that works, good enough to fix something else. Not that we're going to fix anything, but I would at least attempt something like that in the future. But this thing here is a little oscilloscope, and let's see. Hope it's charged. Here we go. With an actual wave generator on it, and it's pretty nifty because it's gotten me to see the condition of the oscilloscopes that I do have. Let's see if I can plug this in. This is let's see. This is frequency out here, right there, and that's where I want to plug in. That's where I'm going to get a wave. Hopefully, no smoke, no sparks, no flame. So I should be reading some type of signal on this now, and behold, I've got a sine wave. Tells me it's 2 volts. Well, the time is 2 microseconds, and the divisions is 2 volts, I believe. That's a 10,000 hertz. It even tells me that. That's a 10,000 hertz signal right there being chopped at the top because it's too small, right? Or it's too big. Let's see if I can.
Henry scrolls on works. Says, I was bringing groceries in yesterday. I had tumbled into a metal chair. Now got a scar on right side of my face. 9 stitches.
9 stitches. But anyway, that's what we were showing off or showing John. I don't think he was very impressed anyway. But anyway, where are you, John? But that's what I've been playing with right now. And this thing, I took it and went over to one of the scopes earlier. Let's see how I can do this. Let me move this camera over here. These can go right there. Yep. That's as far as I go with that. But I think I can. I gotta show this. So this one here, and I think I can get it even closer. This one here. This one here does the same thing as this one. Only thing you can see that the size of the screen, right? It's like huge compared to it. This thing will show the waveform. Let's see if I even have power to this. I think I do. Oh, beeping is good, by the way. Yeah, this thing's plugged in. So I was taking. See, there's no. I don't know. I guess it says a trig. In other words, trigger. But anyway, I was noticing that I was seeing 10K right there. Let's see if I can do this kind of. Yeah, there we go. Right now the line just there's no signal of any kind, right? So let's see. Let me go. I think the second channel on this thing was working when I tested it, and of course this thing is going to give it a frequency, an AC up and down signal, just similar to what comes out of the wall, like you can see, and you see the waveform. However, notice it's kind of jumpy, and I wonder if I can ground it. Will I shock everything? You know what? Let's put that there. Let's see if I can ground this anywhere. I don't see a ground point on the scope, but at least that's a little better, and it looks kind of muddy. Let's see. Here's the focus, because the intensity is so great on it. Well, maybe not. Here's the intensity. Let's see if I can adjust it. By the way,
Stop Crusher.
By the way,
Says, hello Al.
Hello, Greg. How you doing? Here's metal. It's picking it up.
Stop Crusher.
I'm going to definitely get some type of case to go around this.
Hi Larry.
Hey, if I had a laser, I could make a little box for it. Maybe that's something to do. The laser's inside though, and I don't know if I can. Yeah, I might be able to design it up here. Anyway, that's the display I'm getting out of that thing. This up
Henry
here,
Skull works.
Says,
hey Mr. Greg.
Says 10. And there's a timer multiplier right there, so I'm going to assume that it's 3, so 10 times, or 10 to the third is going to be 1,000, and that's what that says. That's got 10,000 hertz. And if you notice the frequency on this thing, that right there is let's see, that's in the micro area of the hertz, which is, so if this is 10,000, then that would be the hundreds, the tens, the ones, yeah, in the milli area of the frequency range of the 10K. But anyway, at least I'm getting some type of signal out of here, which is good, because the other one, let me try to just switch it over without dropping this thing out, I think is dead, because there ain't no signal. I don't know. Let me see if I can get it to do something. I'm trying to get this so it doesn't fall on the ground. We don't want this thing to fall. All right. You know, when I fight gravity, I always lose. All right, let's see. If I don't lose, this is going to work. That over there. This pinchy. DC right there. All right, there we go. Now, if I try to make it bigger this way, it's this knob. And by the way, even the frequency It's definitely not right. It says no frequency. It's not even reading anything now, and I know that's kind of hard to see. That's as close as I can get with this camera without wrecking something. This is time. This makes it sweep back and forth. I'm not getting anything even when sometimes when you slow it down, you actually start to see the signal, but nothing. So I know for sure that this channel is dead, but this one's good. I like that. I like that. So it's kind of flat right now because I've messed with the time. Remember what I was saying? See how it's coming back? I'm squishing it down. The time on this is right now set for 20 milliseconds, which
Henry Scrolls on
fast,
Works
right?
says, I'm not able to afford that stuff, but interesting.
Well, hey, this is a piece of junk. This was thrown out. So now this little jewel right here, $40. So, it just depends. If you can't afford $40, I understand too. But now this stuff, yeah, you can get some brand new oscilloscopes for about $200 also, and nice digital, really really nice. These are old. I mean, it's just something to play with. Why? I don't know. I just have this love, I guess, for retro or old or who knows? Who knows? So that's good. The oscilloscope is reading well. I know that I can, trust, right? Trust. There's something I was looking at and working on, and it was an amp, and I needed to get to some different points to check the signal that comes out of there. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that's what I need to do. I'm going to turn this thing off because this thing is powered by battery, and but I really like it. It's right now I've got it in the mode here to see how I can get out of here. Okay, but for some reason I thought I could check voltage with it too, but I don't think so. That's saying that it's on the DC side, and I was checking AC, but it still looks like it worked. But anyway, it's small. It definitely needs a case. Definitely needs a case. Maybe that's what I need to do is try to find a case for this thing, and I can run it inside, put it on the printer, let it print, and then I can come back out here. But first, let me sit down and see if I can do something. Let's see. Boy, I can't see. Let me move some of this stuff. I've got a PC up here, right here, and yeah, it definitely is not in a good position. Actually, it's probably the monitor that's not in a good position. I wonder if I can pull it over. If you hear crashing, and it's okay. Here we go. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Bring it up here. show you. See, it was like I got the PC there, and then the that's what I need to do. Bring it over. Bring it over. This thing over here is an older power supply. Probably needs to have capacitors replaced on it and stuff, and all sorts of work done to it. But I want to see if it powers up. I will at some point plug it into this. It should keep it from blowing up further than what it might be, but that's why that's there. And this is pretty cool too, the way it works. But right now, what I want to do is I want to go. No, that's not.
Henry scrolls on works.
I want to look for
Says, I got one hobby, it takes my spending money, I'm on fixed income and rest goes to meds and groceries.
I hear you. Hey, I think Moo Hugs just showed up. Let me add her to the stage. Oh, there she is. Hey, Moo Hugs. Live long and prosper. Oh, wait, I got the wrong one. I'm looking for. Oh. Nope, not looking for that either. Yeah, I am. There you go. Live long and prosper. This is what I'm actually looking for, right? No, not that desktop. Nope, don't want that either. Okay, I need to set up.
Hey,
Yes, whoa.
live long and prosper. Can you see my virtual house in the background?
Indeed, it's all that echo back there. That's why you sounded like that. It was like really loud. Yeah, like all that space behind you just made it echo. Nice. I like that.
Yeah. Not my house. Don't know whose house that is, but it looks pretty cool.
Get up and play the piano. I'll give you $100.
I don't know. That's the one Barry Manilow comes over. He has something to do.
So what I was trying to do is I was trying to find a desktop. Let's see, make your desktop big. Yeah, that's broken, isn't it? All right. Or is it this one? Yeah, it is this one. This is what I was trying to find. So let me move that over here. That's the problem here. Hey, happy Sunday, everyone. And it's Mother's Day too, right?
Yes, it is. And happy Mother's Day to the moms and fathers who are moms as well.
I don't know, sis. I'm not going to say what I'm thinking. I'm resisting.
That's probably best, dear brother.
Probably is. So let me see if I can turn this puppy off. Yeah, I need to set up this desktop out here. It really doesn't even need to be there, but I will just shrunk it. This one, the same thing. I'm gonna probably go do a little.
Henry scrolls on works. Says, Happy Mother's Day to all the moms.
Indeed. Happy Mother's Day. So what I'm going to end up doing is going over to the CNC, or I'm going to try anyway. But right now, I'm trying to get this desktop so that I can go print a little case, and I'm thinking that on Thingiverse I'll be able to find this case for the little oscilloscope. I showed you that, didn't I, sis? Can that be heard? Oh, I see the input capture, so it has to be working.
It's kind of hard to hear you because I don't know. My computer doesn't have good sound.
Is it your computer, or is it that my camera is back at the CNC capturing the audio? I don't know though.
That could be. It could be a combination of both things because it sounds like you're far away. Yeah,
Yeah.
like you're not right on the microphone. Yeah.
Let's see if I can figure out which camera we're talking about. Microphone Razor? No, the Razor is the microphone. Yeah. I only have one Razor, so it's no. Is that any better? No. That's weird because yeah, I think I
You need to
know.
get a lavalier and have it on you.
Do what?
You need to have a mic on you, when you're doing the
Yeah,
broadcast.
you're right. I had one. Actually, I had two, and it messed up. It might be the actual camera or microphone in the street guys.
Well, I'm going to be in the next room off
Yes.
camera, so I'll try to listen.
There we go. Now you can hear me, right?
That's much better. Yes.
Oh, yes. Yeah, the microphone was being
Even
picked off.
better.
Yeah, the mic was being picked off from the CNC machine. But anyway, okay. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to find a case for this little. Let me show you. Let me switch the scene now that we've got that working. Let's see. I guess I could just do this one. This right here. This thing. Okay. So I need to find a little case so that maybe I can print it while we're out here piddling with the CNC. So that's what I'm after. And thank you for letting me know that the sound was messed up. But I did change scenes and stuff, so that might have been part of the reason. Okay, let's see. We're at Thingiverse. Yippers. Let's just sign in. No, log in. Duh. Sign in. Don't look at my password. Don't look at my password. It's a bunch of dots, huh?
You need to show it.
It's a bunch of dots. All right. So this little box that I've got here is a Z E E W E I. And if there's nothing here, I'll try to search their website because I think I saw a case. Let me search for ZWE. Ooh, check it out. Check it out. Look what we got. It's actually this one. Well, I mean, it is this one here too, right? Yeah. And it's just off. So look at all this nice stuff. This one goes all the way around. Ooh, and it's blue. Since this is the first one that came up, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it and see what it looks like. Yeah, the case for the DS0154 Pro oscilloscope. Yeah. How does it go on there? It just... Yeah, of course it has this thing, which I have. Oh, I like how it doesn't obscure the... very nice. I like that. Yeah. Oh, it just clips on to the sides like that with that. Yeah, I think this is going to be cool. I wonder if I have Cura on here. If not, I'll download Cura since probably need it on here anyway. No, don't be oohing me. All right, let's go down here, see if Cura is here. Yeah, 4.3. I do need to upgrade. Let me go ahead and bring it up. Nah, let me go find the latest Cura because that's definitely not it. It's like 5.5, something like that. All right, so go. Excuse me. Visit a doctor, huh? Well, that's definitely not it. What is it, like Cura 3D? Let's type 3D printing. Oh, yeah, it's Ultimaker Cura. That's right. All right, so let's go ahead and download the free copy because I don't want to pay for the one that's paid, and I don't even think there's one that's paid, is there? All right, there we go. 64 Windows. I guess we'll download the exe. Save it. Where we're going to save it? Into downloads, and I always save stuff into downloads so that I can go into my downloads later on and delete the downloads, and I don't miss anything because usually installers get updated and stuff. So, all right. So it's in downloads. It's done. Did I just start it? Maybe it didn't finish yet. We'll download history. What is this? Ultimaker. You know, it doesn't even look like it's finished, especially with the little bar, because it says it doesn't look like it's finished it off. Come on, finish it. Finish it. What if I just click on it? See, it's not doing anything. Ah, this. There we go. I think this is from the first one that I did, though. Okay, let's do it. Yes. Let me close this out. Let's bring this over to here. Keep going. Where do I want to put it? I guess I'll put it on the game drive. Why not? All right, on G. No, that wasn't G. It's D. Yeah, no, that's backups. E, dot. Yeah. All right, let's do that. And I'm going to delete the Ultimaker stuff and just let it be Cura Flash. There we go. 571. Wow, I don't even think I have 5.5 outside.
My future husband.
Excuse me?
My future husband.
Who's that?
My little gnome that I have in my hand.
Oh, let me see. No, that's the white sand. Oh, I'm so silly. I should be looking at StreamYards. You know, it's hard. Even with two monitors, I've got like 12 things going on. Yes, there's
The problem is you have too much stuff going on. Why?
not enough. Not enough.
All right. Anyway, I wanted to say that the reason I'm showing you this is that if you have animals like I do, I put double-sided sticky tape like from 3M on it so that they don't knock stuff over, because I had these on my mantle during Christmas so that, you know, I'm sorry, this background is not working for me. I'll be right back.
Yeah. That's the bad thing about it. It's AI.
Yes, of course it's AI.
Yes. Yeah, and this thing's taking forever, man. But we'll just wait and see.
So this is my natural background. That's why I had that. So yeah, so the sticky tape is really good. It works. Only thing is you have to be really careful if you have it on anything with paint, like we had on the mantelpiece. It actually, pulled the paint off, which was
Is that what's stuck on the bottom of that thing?
yeah.
Yeah. Ask me how I know. Right?
Right.
Yeah. Helpful tip. Ask me how I know. Yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
How do you know?
Yeah,
This one,
taking forever.
he's missing his little pom-pom at the end because they knocked it over. There wasn't enough. And somehow they knocked it over. And as you can see, they pulled the tape off. I don't know how it happened, but it did. So, yeah. So somebody ate that pom-pom, by the way. So it's like some plastic, ceramic, whatever that resin stuff. They ate the pom-pom. So we don't know where it went to.
So you can't make a pom-pom for that thing?
I don't have time to make the pom-pom. Right now, I'm trying to clear out one of the bedrooms so that I can actually start, the crafts once again.
Yeah. Well, there's no time like the present.
True, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to try to put something up here in this wall so you have something a little bit better than just this gray wall to look at. AFK.
Oh, I gotcha. If you knew somebody with a 3D printer,
If somebody with a 3D printer who had time.
See, that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to download this so I can go play with the CNC. Do you believe that? Because that's really what I'm intending to do. I'm going to set this thing up. Well, it's actually loading. And take the STL in, run it, and see if I can't get some carving done. And hold on, it's setting stuff up that you can't see off on the other screen. And it still hasn't come up, but I know it's coming up. It has to. Oh my God, that's.
How's that?
Oh yeah. Jeez, Louise. Did anybody else out there get scared by that? I mean, I realize it's fake.
This is from Target. It was available during Halloween, and they also had it in black. And I gave the black one away. So I'm going to put a little bow on her, him, whatever. I'm going to put a little bow on it, and it's going to sit by the front door.
Very good. Very good. It'll keep you.
Henry's scroll saw works. Says, I'll check back later. Stay safe and blessed prayers for everyone. Live long and prosper.
Take care, Henry, and I hope you feel better, man.
Feel better, Henry.
There we go. So, there we go. Yeah. So, Kira finally decided to come up, guys. Okay. So, let me go back over here, find this case that I want. Let's go ahead and download it. And I'm going to use the same name, the DSO 1450 Pro, whatever it is. And I'm going to create a directory like I always do. And we'll call it that.
Henry's scroll saw works. Says, thank you.
Oh, you're most welcome, man. So one thing that I will need to know when I go to use the CNC a bit is, what do you want me to try to carve? I was thinking I could try a dolphin or a half a dolphin. That way I could carve two, backwards images, and I'd have a whole dolphin carved out. And actually, it's amazing because you put that shark up there and made me think of the dolphin. All right, so let me save that STL. And I'm going to drag it. Well, heck, I can just go to the directory here. Come on, where's the directory? Oh, no. It's trying to open up the file. Now, let me just minimize that, bring up the file explorer to the rescue. Here we go. So OneDrive. And it was, because I copied it right there. It's a DSO Pro. In fact, if I do personal / boom, right in there. All right, so that's what I want. And I can drag it over here. Oops, don't want to do that yet. I can drag it over here. There it is. So there's the case. Close that out. Now we can maximize this. Let me see how much or how long it takes to slice this. I'm just going to slice it in here. I wasn't. I know the reason now why I don't have Cura, because I was using another slicer. How long? An hour and 45 minutes. The Prusa slicer, I believe, was what I had. Let's go download it. What I had installed inside, and this will be a comparison of the Prusa slicer. I think that's what the name of it is. So let's see, Prusa slicer. Yeah, Prusa 3D. So yeah, I'm okay with that. Just okay. So let's download it and do this since that's your AFK cat. Wait. There we go. I'm going to do that. So it's a little bigger. But anyway, the Prusa slicer, it's got to go and download so I can delete it later. Okay, let's save it there. And when it runs, and I've already subscribed. I don't need to subscribe anymore. We don't need no stinking subscription. We already got one, man. I guess I can get rid of this, huh? Maybe. I don't know. Come on. Is it finished? There we go. It finished. There we go. Into the... All right. I'm going to do the same thing with this, is put it on D like I did the other one, just for the same reason. So D colon, not semicolon, D colon, backslash. Take all that other garbage. Okay, there we go. Let's take the Prusa 3D out and just put Prusa slicer. I don't know about the firmware right now. Not too worried. Prusa 3D. Create a desktop icon. Install it. Yeah. Let's compare the time that it'll take on this one versus the other one. And believe me, it's installing, guys. So there we go. All right. It'll launch it. Let me close out some of this stuff that I've got here. It's got a nice little picture, and I'm trying to get it over there, and it won't let me. Welcome to Prusa. Let's see how I can do this. Yeah, welcome to Prusa. Prusa USA, vendors, filaments, updates, downloads, view mode. Welcome to Prusa configuration wizard. Let me make this smaller. Yeah, there we go. I'll have to go over here. Let's go next. None of these, all standard, none. Other vendors. Let's go other vendors. Creality. And it's an Ender 3. How come? All right, well, Creality. Let's see. Creality FF. Creality Ender 3, 4 nozzle. Look, it picked it. It picked it. All right. I don't want to define a custom profile, although I probably should. Yeah, let's just go on. Templates. No. PLA. All that PLA. Gee, I don't know. I guess it's setting up filament and the settings for those filament. Oh, this is pretty. There we go. Look. Here, let me close this out. We can close this one out too. And again, just to save some memory. So it took, if I can do this, it took an hour and 45 minutes on that one. This one, let's go ahead and import this. Import STL. What was it? What did I call it? What did I call it? It was a DS Pro, right? There. Uh-oh. How come I don't see it? Am I missing it? DR. Ah, there it is. All right, there it is there. Let's import it. Boom. There we go. So it'll do it. Now, let's go ahead and slice. Let's see, slice now. And I do want to check some things though. So let's slice now. And that, it says it's going to take 12 minutes to do the first layer and 3 hours and 57 minutes to do the rest of it. Wow. That's twice and not less. There's something that's different on this one. 0.8 millimeter print settings, 8 millimeter super, something's wrong there. Oh, that's because it's the finest detail you could go. Normal speed. Let's go normal speed, and with the 4 millimeter nozzle, which is what I have. File, import. I wonder why I got rid of it. Let's see. Are there recents? No. Import STL. Let's bring this in. You're kidding me. This has got to be a bug because I just imported it. It disappeared and I just imported it. Let's Control Z and slice now and see what it says. There we go. Okay. All right. This time it says it's 2 hours and 55 minutes. So I'm going to go with the hour and 45 minutes that says, and that is low quality. It's the 0.28 or the 0.28. Let's go with the standard quality, which is a 2 millimeter, which I think was what we were comparing a second ago. I'm going to keep the changes, generate support. Generate support. Ka-ching. Yeah. All right, so let's slice this one, see what this one does. Should be a little bit more time, 2 hours and 18 minutes, but a little bit better quality too. So that's okay. I don't think. If I go super quality, it goes to 3 hours and 45 minutes. So let's just go to regular quality. And I'm sure there are other printers out there that they'll do this in 15 minutes, but I don't have one here. All right, let's go standard quality with this. Slice it. Oh, and I've got to go get a USB drive. I'll be right back. Yes, I'm back. All right, so I've got a thumb drive here. I'm going to go ahead and plug in. Aha. And it should pop up here, save to removable. Let's save it to removable. Save to removable. Okay. I can't show you the 3D printer printing because it's inside, but let me take this out. Safely remove hardware. Ejected removable drive. You are now safely removed. You may now safely remove the drive. I'll be right back. Let me get this going and I'll be right back. Well, I'm running into some technical difficulties as always, right? I mean, a day doesn't go by that the filament breaks or doesn't break. It's all good though. All good. I think what I'll do is I'll put the BRB up. If there's one on here, I think there is.
What happened?
The filament broke, and so I'm having to heat it up and get the filament threaded back in. It just breaks because see, it's dry here, so the filament actually dries out and gets brittle and cracks.
Which is the opposite of here, where it's always wet.
Exactly. And it doesn't print. It. All right. So here's a be right back. There we go. And I'll be right back. I'll be right back. And we are back. And it is printing. You just can't see it. So you have to take my word for it. Come on, be right back. Be back. All right, good deal. I don't know. And I got taters. Sorry, I'm just catching up a little bit on. Okay, I guess I thought I had a message there, but I don't. So let's see. What's going out is that right there. Oh no. Oh yeah, I lost Moo Hugs. Not only did she go AFK, but she went away. Away.
The Dutchman's Wood Shack says, "Hi everyone."
And there's Jeff. Hello, Jeff. Welcome to the quiet. That's interesting. I'm seeing something that. Anyway, all right. So
The Dutchman's Wood Shack says, "Hi Kilroy."
let me exit out of this thing. And I definitely have to check into why this took so long on here, because it was like half the time last time. Anyway, let's exit out of that. Happy Mother's Day to you, Jeff. Let's see here. Huh. Interesting. So is it? No, it's. I'm not seeing where that other camera is. And it's got to be OBS that's doing that to me. Just don't see how. Oh, I see how now. Duh. There we go. Yeah, this camera here is the one I was wondering about, that one. But I see now. That's back at the CNC. All right, there's the old desktop. So the next thing I've got to do, and that's off right there, but is get something going for that back there. So let me go back to the second display. Let's go to easel. Maybe. What you up to this weekend, Jeff? Okay.
Gilroy says, "How are you?"
So I wonder if there's anything here. And I can import an STL, right? .stl. The STLs are currently limited to 100 megabytes in size. To shrink larger files, you can use external tools such as my mini vector mesh simplification. Okay, all right. Let's just. So, first thing I'd like to do, and maybe this is what I need to do, is go try to find a dolphin or half a dolphin. V-carve is where I want to go to Vectric's website. I don't know if I have vcarve loaded on this computer or not. And really, let me see if I can log in from this computer. I don't think I've ever logged in this way. Yeah, maybe I have. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. So I'm good here, and this is what I want to do. Okay. That's what I want to do. This is the software I have. This is so. Let me download my clip art. Let's see if it'll let me download anything. Fishing village clip art. Oh, okay. 2D layout, rotary profiles, animal clip art pack. Panels, ribbons, plants, 3D veggie. .3D tabs, clip art for V tabs. I don't know what that is, but anyway, domes and dishes. No, ribbons, panels. I think the animal clip art is what I need to look at first. Let's download it. Let's put it away. Yeah, I'll put it over here, and we'll call it. And I don't know. Let's just call it animal clip art. Yeah. So let me copy this name, new folder. Oh, I just lost it. Let's see. I guess I clicked off of it, but that's why I have so many new folders. So let's work on this one. Save it as that, but take the exec out, and we'll call it Cave Animals Clip Art. Okay, let's save it there. Let me run it from there. Let's see if they have anything that I could even manipulate if I have to. Okay, it's still downloading. What's going on in your world, Jeff? I got into a new website or a new Facebook page called Free Laser Files. If that interests anybody. Hmm. All right. So let's take a look at what I just downloaded, which is this right here. Let's just go ahead and install it. The heck. I think I'm going to have to download the software over here too. So there we go. The animals clip are successfully added to users, public documents, metric clip arts. Okay, wonderful. So users, public documents, metric. Okay. Not really what I wanted, but that's okay. I guess that's where it puts it, so everybody can have access to it. All right, so let's see if we can find users. Where is losers? Users, public pictures, videos, pictures, I would think. Account, pictures, desktops, pictures. Nope. Where did it say? Public pictures, downloads. Oh, it was in documents, metric files. There we go. Clip art, animals, and there they are right there. I wonder if I can see any of these. Yeah, it's not letting me. I don't even know if I have Vetric on this. So I don't know if Easel will allow me to import this, but let's see. Let's see. It wasn't a DFX. It wasn't an SVG. Was it code? Is that actually code? Or is it an STL? That right there. Import a 3D model. Let's choose a file. Let me see if I can find this again. This was in users. Let's see. Users, public, documents, Vetric, clip art, animals, and it finds nothing in the standard distillation language, or STL. All right, so that won't work. All right, so let's see if we can import. It's not an. Let's see. I don't think that's right. I'm gonna have to manipulate it in a different way. Nope, doesn't see anything either. All right, so let's see if I have Vetric, a V Carve Pro, but I don't, do I? So that means that I need to go back over here and download it and install it. Let's see. So here we are. Products, VCarve Pro, free trial, download. Let's see, it doesn't show me logged in, does it? Log in. Okay, products, VCarve Pro, buy, free trial. No, I don't want that. I want an older version. Can I download an older version? Free trial, buy or upgrade. Unleash your credit, import 2D. How come it's not showing me as I'm signed in, so there's that. There's my name. Here we go. Download my software. This is viewing your license code and download your Victor software here. Okay, view license and download. I don't want to view the license. Fishing village. That'd be cool. That'd be cool to play with. Anyway, let me go ahead and do this and take that offline. Okay. Software's copy license. Copy license. All right, I'm going to try it with the free trial that they're saying. Maybe they'll limit. No, there's got to be a way. There has to be a way to do this. A Carve Pro, which is what I've got. I don't want to download it. I mean, I don't want to buy it. I don't want to do the free trial. Compare free trial, community, compare, support, partners. Native veteran system requires educational license. Ooh, I wonder if I could get an educational license. Up to 40 computers. Oh, I see. Huh. All right. VCAR. Hybrid laser CNC, huh? All right, I'll do VCarve Pro, the free trial. Okay. Let's just download it as a guest. It's almost there. Almost there. Hopefully it finished already, huh? Still not. Still not fini. There we go. I guess what I'll do next payday is upgrade to this version, which is what, 16? No, 12. 12, sorry. Yeah, 12.5. I mean, 11.5 is what I have now. Let's put this on D. Oh, it does say trial edition too, doesn't it? D:// D:// VCarve Pro. There we go. Excuse me. Okay. There we go. We're done. If I can get over to it. There we go. I bet it won't let me do very much. So how do I get, well, maybe I can put my license in, which I have copied to the clipboard. Assuming, oh wait, on an account, the wizard will guide you through the process of getting your software configured for you. Yeah, let's do that. That's skip, cancel, next. In the full version, you will be able to log in with your account here to be able to access benefits within the software such as chart or clip art download and machine tool database backups. Okay, so let's go ahead and skip that for right now. Search for machine. That we need to skip for right now. Oh, wait, let's back. Let me see. Search. Press the search button to search for your machine configuration online. Let's see if it, okay, you are about to update the list of post processors. Here, that's what I'm reading. Would you like to continue? Yes. I'm going to update the list, and what I'll do is I'll pick the Xcarve post processor, and I think that'll give me the machine paths that I need. Manufacturer, inventables, right? Yep, inventables. Select a series, Xcarve, and it's the standard 1000 millimeter. Configuration, easel, and default, both. Let's do both. So let me download it. You're about to install machine configuration of Xcarve. Would you like to? Yes. Successfully installed 2 machine configurations. So the default and the Xcarve are downloaded now. What that means, I don't know, because that is. See, it's asking me find out more. Okay. Finish. There we go. Okay. Now this is what it was asking. So this is interesting. Anyway, find out, find more, recarb trial, create a new file, new file from template, new file from existing, open tutorial file, purchase recarb now. Where is support metric? Where do I register it is what I'm saying. Machine, toolpads, edit, gadgets, recent file, open application data, options. What are my options? Okay, don't think that's what I want. Machine. I bet it's over in help. Let's just jump over to help. Help, keyboard, what's new, release, third-party licenses, view vCard Pro Trial Edition, online FAQ, visit the Vectric forum, electric. Support online, Vectric use portal, troubleshooting, trial, laser module, Kickstarter wizard about vCarve's Pro Trial Edition. Machine configuration. It looks good, actually. Well, there's nothing there to, there's not a machine there to apply. Well, this isn't going to help. So it's a gone. All right, let's see. Let me think here then. Let me go back through some of these tabs that I've got open. I was looking at a little Mr. Carlson's lab earlier. It was kind of interesting. He was doing very sensitive antenna with rusty welding wire. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to put that one on there. I guess I must have closed out easel. That's just a guess. Not sure why. Let's see. There or there. That there is what I want. Okay. Can go away. Let's go back to easel. Let's see if easel has anything. And I think, now see, I could import an STL file. If I had an STL file from Thingiverse, right, of a dolphin, maybe. I guess I must have typed it in the wrong spot. Actually, this top one, if it's 3D, this one would be cool. Yeah, that'd be really neat right there. Taking a second to load, but it's there. Huh. Yeah, it'd have to be totally straight. Man. You know what? I know what. Let's see that. Really? What about this? What about that? So let's download this and see what this is. Four, three, two, one. All right. Where we're going to put this. I definitely don't want it in cave animal clip art. Since dolphin is what I'm after, do I even have a dolphin in here? A-B-C-D-O-L. DeLorean. Okay, new folder. Dolphin. Okay. Dolphin. Okay, that can go away. This is there. I just want to rename this thing. It has a there it is. It has a funky name, and see all those spaces in there. I don't know what's in those spaces, but in any case, they're going away, including the numbers. Maybe. Yeah. Can't fat finger it. All right, here we go. Now I do want to extract this. And I really want to extract it back into dolphin. So is it doing anything? Oh, there it is. Yeah. So I just want to get rid of this right here so it just goes right back into dolphin. There we go. And that way I have the zip file and the files I need, and of course all the good stuff there, including the zip file. So let's look at dolphin and does Kura up? No Kura. Oh, I heard a ding, and there's another ding there. Who's ding? Oh. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let me find Kura. There's 571. I wonder what my print is doing inside. How am I going to do this? Okay, let me see. Let me see if I can do this. Let's get that file in here. Oh, that'd be nice. Okay. So the file is dolphin.stl. It shall appear right there. So I think what I need to do is I need to take it and stick it in a slicer and split it in half. And the last, I don't know how to do it in here. Let's see, is there a way to do it? Oh, that just mirrors. But I do know that this file here that I'm getting ready to look up is the one that that I know how to use, which is it slick? Like that? Yeah, like that, right? Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, it's that one right there is the one that I've used before anyway. If there's something out there that's better, hey, recommend it. I'm all ears. Let's get the official Windows release of that. Okay, I guess I'll accept all. Why not? What's the deal? Okay, let's continue as that. All right. Dev Linux. Really? Which one do I want? Oh, of course, this one. Let's just download it and just leave it in downloads. And then I'll run it from there, and then I'll delete the downloads when I go to clean the drive up. All right, here we go. Slicker 3D. It's still not done. Of course, you can't see it because the bird's in the way, but mostly the notifications. Let's see. Come on, OBS. No, and I can't. I guess I've got the notifications locked down too. So did this finish? Is the question. Nope, still downloading. I mean, how long does it? It did say it's done. It's pause or that. So if I double click it, it doesn't do anything because it's not finished yet like that. Bummer. Come on, finish. Of course, right? It can't go well. Okay, so I'll just let that sit for a second. Boy, it's nice and cool in here. So did it finish? Yes, it did. All right, let's go ahead and run it. This is it. Let's extract all. This will be D colon. And then let's take out all this other stuff. Extract it there. All right, so let's cover this up. All right, I'm back here. Woohoo! Oh, I hear the echo. Let me log off here. Bye. This here. All right, this opened up. Oh, I'm still connected. So let me close this out. Let's kill that. Don't need that anymore. Here's the program unzipped, and that's it. Next, welcome to Slicer Configuration Wizard. Or is it Slick 3R? Slick 3R? Is that right, Marlon? Yeah, I believe it's that. What else would it be? No. Ignore everybody. That. All right, cool. So we're just gonna leave that there. Um, this thing's 235, I think. I can't remember. The bed size on the Ender 3 is 235 by 235. So this needs to be 235 and 235 here. Okay, and it's rectangular. I guess it's really square, right? So next, the nozzle diameter is 0.4 on mine. So that's that. The filament diameter, it's 1.75. Temperature is 210. Let's just say 210. I think that's what it is. And the bed temperature is normally about 50. 50. All right, there you go. All right, so I guess that's set up. Now, there it is there. Let me check this. Yeah. It's been a while since I've used this thing. So let me do this. Go to where the dolphin is. I believe I called it dolphin. Yep, dolphin it is. Files, there's the dolphin STL there. And if I can just cut that smack dab in the middle, okay, it doesn't really matter where, just as well, I guess it does. It does. Yeah, it's going to have to be down this side right here. Just straight up the front like that. And it probably needs to be, this needs to be halved on both sides. Ooh. Ooh. Let me see if I can figure out how to use this. It's been a while, like I'm saying. So I select the item, and then I wish that fin was straight. Wonder if I could bend the plane. No, because then I need supports. Yeah, and I don't really want to do that. Oh my goodness. Nope. Let's see, cut. We don't want to cut that way. We want to cut down the y-axis. Yeah. But this thing needs to turn. Let's see, where is it going to? No, not that one either. This one. Yeah, this is the one that we need to do. Let's see, how's this going to look? I guess that's going to be the half. Upper part, keep upper part and lower part. I want both of them. That's not too clean a cut. I'll still have a little supports on this here. See if I can cut this any less. Yeah, then I'll have that spot there to contend with. That won't be too bad. Or will it? Yeah, it'll give us two pieces. That can't work that way. That cannot work that way. About there. So what I need to do is get it as close to the fin or through it and yet not split this back here. In other words, I want to keep some, right? Yeah, and there is some there. So that's good. What does that do to the fin? It gives you a little support there that it'll need. That'll probably be okay, I guess. Or I could do more. No, I have to. See, because this here now needs some support. Okay, maybe I do need to do it split in the front. So if I split it there, I think I can do multiple cuts too. I just don't know how to add another cut. Cut by grid anyway. There's one part right there. And here's the other part right here. So it'll sit like that. So that fin over there will need some support in this one too. Actually, that can't work. That can't work that way. I wish we could make this bigger too, but we can't. So let me look at this again. Let's see if I can make this as big as possible. I need to come up. This way. I just don't know. That ain't going to work either. And the reason I'm saying is because if I'm going to use the CNC, that fin can't be like that. It just can't. Because I'm not going to be able to cut underneath it. That's the problem. That's the problem. Yeah, it can be 3D printed, yeah, with support. So let's just close that out. Can't really do that. Excuse me. I'm just noticing it says past projects there, and there's nothing there. And probably needs to be there. Ta-da! There we go. All right. So crud. All right. I think I'm going to default back to the easel website. I mean, and see if there's any ideas or help. And let's go to the Inventables area. Is there a search anywhere? Dolphin carve. Let's see if dolphin carve is there. Yeah, and I got a sneaky feeling that it's only going to be able to have the dorsal fin and the tail fin, not the other one on the side, or maybe it needs to be pushed back or something. Really, didn't find anything. Rentable shop projects, all projects, forms, easelet projects. Oh, duh. I guess that's not what to click, huh? Project form. Project forms. I probably should have gone to all projects. Yeah.
Robbins Buys and DIYs says, "Hi Al.
Hello, Robin. How are you today?" Let's see what Dolphin pulls up here. What are you up to? Oh, Miami Dolphins. But see, that's not the type of carve that I was looking at. I wanted more of a 3D cut. And that might be okay, I guess.
Robbins Buys and DIYs
If I got rid of
says,
the sun,
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Fantabulous.
Robbins Buys and DIYs says, I dyed my hair and now I'm styling it.
Oh. Are you doing that online? Sorry, I had to ask. Wow.
Robbins Buys and DIYs
I guess I don't
says,
like it.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. I was trying to be silly, I guess.
Robbins Buys and DIYs says, not this time, LOL.
Oh, there we go. And there we go. And there we go. And hopefully we're in. Yeah, we are. I'm trying to find a carve project, something like this, but not quite that intense. I just want a dolphin, or half a dolphin, actually. It can be half a dolphin, and I'll just put them together as long as I have, I can possibly rotate it around. I thought it was logged into easel already. I am. Yeah, see, I am. So one thing that I didn't look at is shapes. There's a place in here where there's maybe it's this one. Yeah, the Pro Design Library. Yeah. Let's see if there's a dolphin in here. Here we go. Dolphin search. Yes, there's multiple dolphins. Very nice. Okay, so what's this one here? I want a 3D one. I just don't want one that's, of course, like that could be 3D a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Wow, look at all those dolphins. There's Flipper. Well, this definitely is a lot of dolphins. Holy smokes. I mean, I could like bring one in. Let's see. I saw one back here that I liked. Um, here, this one. I like that one. Ooh. Which one do I like better? I like this one better. Okay, there it is. And over here, I guess it'll carve it, but that's not really what I'm wanting. What I want is a dolphin. Let's see, got to spell it right. Dolphin 2D. Dolphin 2D. X carve. No, it's 2D and a half, right? 2.5D. Let's see if that comes up. There we go. Nothing. Nada. Nada. Oops, didn't mean to do that. X carve 3D carve. Hmm. How do I do 3D carving? Well, let's take a look at that. My mom has a business. Whoa, I'm not going to read all that. It's just I use VCarve Pro for my 2.5 carves and learning Fusion, so I have more freedom to create. So yeah, so maybe what I need to do is go to my 11.5, import a dolphin, export the machine cuts. Hello, Robin. And you know what? I've been talking to myself for the last 15 minutes, probably. Good gosh almighty. So I'm trying to find a dolphin to carve. And I just don't have the software on this computer to do it with.
Robin's Buys and DIYs says, I'm still here.
Well, maybe I do. Maybe I do.
Robin's Buys and DIYs says, just doing stuff.
Stuff is good. Well, but I was muted out and I was babbling and carrying on. I'm trying to just get rid of some of the overhead that I've got going on. So that's what it does. Is there a 3D generator in here? No. There's Puzzle Maker. Extract subpath, huh? Allows you to extract a portion of the outermost path of a shape. This app will return an open path per the parameters specified. The starting point is a default, whatever the case might be. I guess I can do left
Dave
top,
Gavin.
low. Hey,
Says,
Dave.
Hey, Big Al.
Now, see, Dave could tell me, yeah, you probably can answer this, Dave.
Robin's Buys and DIYs says, hi, Debbie.
How you doing, Dave? reverse, extract percentage. What does this do? Oh, I see. So 50% is
Robbins
that.
buys and DIYs.
That's pretty
Says.
cool.
Temu. Dave Gatton. Says. Great.
Awesome, man.
Robbins
Awesome.
buys and DIYs. Says. Han Solo.
Han Solo on Temu, really? Hey, Dave. I have a registered version of 11.5, my very own. But anyway, where do I get that version software to download? I've looked on Vectric's site. I didn't see it. I downloaded a trial, but I've got my own license. Am I just looking in the wrong place, or should I
Robbins
keep looking?
buys and DIYs. Says. I want to hear how the bot says it. LOL.
Say it again. Han Solo. Why do I have 2 copies of this going? Probably because I opened this thing up.
Robbins buys and DIYs. Says. Han Solo.
Han Solo. Han Solo. Right cut. Nah. Is that in here? Where is that? I don't know. I'm talking to myself now, and I'm answering myself also. Where did I see
Dave
that?
Gatton. Says. I have not upgraded to version 12 and probably 1T.
Well, the thing is I need to install 11.5 because that's what I have. So, and I was looking around. I guess I got back off the site. Maybe because that's what I need right now. Vectric price list. Oh, we don't want Vectric price list. We want Vectric. Maybe if I type 11.5, download. Maybe that's. Let's see an overview. Ooh, Vectric 11.5 is now out. No, it's not. Program updates 11.7 Vectric customer for major versions. You need to download and install or your portal account. The portal account version will be the latest version. Really? So that's what I did, right? Update Vectric. I think that's what I did. I would like to update the computer that was running on the machine that is not connected. No, you can download, don't release.
Neil collects.
Here.
Says.
Hello, Neil.
Hit the like button. I was the first like.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Very kind of you.
Robbins buys and DIYs.
Dot releases here.
Says.
So
Oops.
let's see. Support program
Dave Gatton.
updates.
Says. Did you go to your Vectric portal? Robbins buys and DIYs.
I think that's where I'm at,
Says.
Dave. Whether I'm
Han
logged in or
Solo.
not, I don't know, but I think this is where I need to be to download 11.5. There's 11.5. Oh, where did I download it? Anyway, I'll find it. I was logged in a
buys
second
and
ago.
DIYs. Says. Han Solo, Han Solo, Han Solo. Neil collects. Says.
Hi,
everyone. Robbins buys and DIYs.
All right, let's see if it downloaded.
Says.
There it is.
Hi Neil.
Oh my
Dave
God.
Says.
Yeah,
I
it
think
is.
that's the right place.
It is, Dave. It just downloaded. Let's go ahead and tell it patch application. Yes, patch it. Okay, and I guess it's patching. Oh, it's doing it on my C drive. There it is right there.
Robbins Buys and DIYs says, listen to this team you.
I think I probably still have my license in my clipboard, Dave, from when I was on the portal before, and I copied it over. If not, I'll just log back in and get it, but I think I'm good. As long as I can have 11.5 out here, yes.
Neil Collects says, yes, it said Han Solo, not Han Solo.
Han Solo? Han Solo.
Robbins Buys and DIYs
Han Solo.
says, no, it said Han Solo. Robbins Buys and DIYs says, not Han Solo.
Han Solo. That sounds like somewhere up north or something. Han Solo. Pack the car, Han Solo. Man, this is taking forever. What's it doing? It's in... Oh, it's searching.
Robbins
it
Buys
searching?
and DIYs.
It's
says,
searching.
LOL.
And right now it's
Robbins
going
Buys
through...
and DIYs.
Oh my God.
Says, what about British?
British? I don't know. Oh my goodness. So this page contains the latest download patches for release versions of Vectric. Please note you must have upgraded to the version shown under File Updates via your whatever account, VNCO account, before you can use the patch updates. So I'm going to have to log in anyway. For example, you must have upgraded to version to use the... Oh wait, this is just a patch? Oh no! So I'm just going to tell it cancel. Oh, wrong mouse. All right, cancel. Software not found. See, that's a pretty green little window there. Okay, close. All right, so that's not it. Let's go ahead and log in. Okay. I am in. I'm in like Flint. All right, because there's sign out now. Preferences, products. See, VCarve Pro. Buy now, free trial. Buyer upgrade, 2D import, 2D, install, preview, update, desktop pro. So I'm back. When you got here, Dave, I pivoted. And now I have to pivot again because it almost went 180. Well, it did. I mean, what's now? All right, at the top, we've got products, compare, free trial, community, support, and partners. Partners. Oops. Sorry, I got distracted. Squirrel! All right, products, compare, free trial, community. I wanna go to support, but definitely look back at community. New Vectric, introduction, FAQ, training videos, program updates, system requirements, educational licenses, jobs. Program updates, system requirements, FAQs. Let's see what the FAQs have got. What is a gadget? Install which? How do I, which version? How do I add a new material? How to receive air opening, licensing? Do I have to upgrade the software? When educational license, what is metric license, transfer policy, what is limitations and trials, what are the minimum requirements? Can metric software run plasma? So, SketchUp Marketplace licensing and software. And those are the questions, or the sections for the questions. That was support, right? Yeah, let's go to community. Efficiency projects, case studies, forum galleries, gadgets. This is like tempting me to, but that's not really what I'm wanting to do. That's neat right there. The twisted candle holders. Okay. Let me try this again. In fact, we'll just stay logged in. Let's see. Metric. Not Aspire. The Carve Pro. Yeah, and it doesn't find anything. Well, it does find something. There's the update, the Carve trial. Install metric. How to install? That was back in 22 when it came out, so I'm sure he was showing you how to get there. I thought I had from like the upper area gone to a place where it says like my software or something like that, or my Pro products. Well, anyway, I just keep going around in circles. It's like I'm not logged in, but I am logged in. Sign out. Well, there we go. Yeah, see? There we go, right? I wonder. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. No, that's not right. There we go. We're signed in. It's like they want you download your software, your license code, and download your Vectric software. I did that. License and download. Duh. So at this point, I'm not going to view my license. I am going to download it, though. I thought I did, but I thought I downloaded the... Now here's the installer. Yeah. Okay, let me download the installer. And I think that's not the same thing I did last time. All right, there it is. Hopefully, but it looked like I had one there already. Oh, that's the patch. Okay, this time I think we've got the right file. Yay! All right. It says it's done, but it hasn't, I guess, finished verifying it. All right, good deal. Man, I've been going around in circles, but that's how you do it. And it's funny because I had gotten the license, which I'll copy the license to clipboard again. All right, got it. This is still not done. Molding profile clip art installer. Molding profiles might be nice if I could make some moldings. Really, that might. Objects and people. Panel, shields, clip arts, plants and fruit, ribbons and banners, weaves, clip art, domes and dishes, 3D tabs, clip art pack. 3D tabs. I wonder what that is. And it is finished. Awesomeness. Let's try that. Maybe? No. There we go. I keep dragging it over. Oh my goodness. All right, I agree, yes. I wonder what install transfer to output directly to some machines. Yeah, but I'm not. Could I? Let's take a look at something. Okay, so which machines does V-Transfer work with? Vectric. Let's search for that. Gerbil-based machines, interesting, right? Oh, that's what that is. Yeah, and I think I've seen. I would imagine Dave, but several people using that right there. Okay, let's go back to this here. All right, let's not install it. Let's just keep going. And this I want there. Actually, I want it in D. I want to rock. Install it. Let's see how long this takes. It's not taking too long. I wonder what the print looks like inside. It was at 25% last time. But that'll be good when that gets done, so that so I can have a case around this thing, because this right here, believe it or not, is, well, and you might not be able to see it since I'm on the desktop over here. And it is finished. I actually saw it on the feed. There we go. Once again, thank you, Neil Glex, for the thumbs up. What did I do? Oh, okay. Let's see. vCarve Pro license online. Pick the method of the computer and access. Yeah, it's online. I'm going to move this over and do it off here. Status, checking login. Checking login will attempt to obtain a license from the cloud. You will be taken to Vetric portal and you'll be asked to log into your account to obtain a license. So let's do that. Log in. I'm going to allow it to go there. Yes. Allow. All right, my software is linked now officially. Access request successful. All right, so does that mean, oh, I've got a little deal. What? This mouse is not working right. Oh, here we go. Next. So what's going on now is, where did it go? See, that connected okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I've got this going on. Connected, next. Search for machine. Let's skip that. Oh. So this is, I would think that I could change this later and pick the actual machine and the post processor and stuff. So configure machine. Okay, let's just finish. We'll come back and configure the machine here in a little bit. I just wanted to be able to get into, ta-da, 11.5. Dave was the lucky charm. Okay, we're good. There we go. We are good. All right, now, I think what I'll do is template, Vetric website, Facebook, design a clip art and project, design and make. That molding one actually intrigued me a little bit. Oh. I'm looking at the design and make site. Let me see something though. Vetric on YouTube, Vetric, no. Actually, I do want to go to the V and CO. That's what I want. Yeah, because I want to go down and get the fonts. Where are the fonts? Or not the fonts, but the clip art. Metric. Yeah, here we go. Download your software. Wait a second. Okay, yeah. Download your clip art. That's where I want to go. Yeah, and design and make is where I wanted to be. It just, oh, it's getting cold in here. Good Lord. I want to turn the air down a little bit, or up, I guess. Oh, probably getting time for me to quit this. All right, clip art. Let's see, the molding profile clip art install. Molding profile, right? Decorative clip art pack. The animals clip art pack. Oh yeah, the dolphin was blah, right? Wasn't it? Isn't that what I was looking at? Let's look at the molding pack. Where did I get last? Well, I'll install both of them. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Oh yeah, I did install it, but I couldn't open it because I didn't have vCarve. That's what it was, right? No? Let's open this up. Yes, go ahead and open it. Click next to continue, agree. Well, I remember now. This right here is what it is. It's over on in the users public documents Vetric clip arts. So that's what we've got to do. We've got this. What is this doing? Oh, okay. Modules. What is modules? Finish. Okay. Copyright. Oh. I now have this open. Okay, let's just minimize this, but I've got it here also. Look there. Because right there, this is the one that just finished up. Excuse me. Okay, so let's go ahead and open an existing file. Let's go over to users. I think I'm in the wrong documents. Let's see, is there a metric here? No, there's not, is there? Yeah, it's over on C: users public documents, Vetric files, clip art, config, design, make, gadgets, languages, materials. It's looking for CRV files, or so let's see, clip art. Is it going to find any clip art? Is that type animals? Let's look at animals. No, because it's looking for actual drawings, right? And it's actually looking for carvings. I'm not getting this. Yeah, like that. Like that, yeah. Well, I guess I'm not going to find that in the clip arts. That would be clip art, right? All right, let's just Let's just take a peek at this one. Number one molding. Oh, I see what it is. It's the profile. Gotcha. 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 I guess I envisioned more of a sequential pattern of 3D and not 2D profile. Individual models. Yeah, yeah. Here, I think this is where I need to be. This is more of what I was wanting to do. Oh, I see prices. Really? Well, I guess they look pretty intricate too. All right, I'm gonna do it some other way. There we go. Some free, some not. New gadgets? Oh, gadgets. Oh, that's. Oh, I did that wrong, didn't I? CRV, not CDR. CRV. Free CRV gallery. I just want to test it. No results found. Maybe that's the thing. Oh my God. Jeez. Of course, that's round and about. Oh, again, same results. Yeah, no need to search through that. Free files, vcarve, and CRV, DXF format. Not much here. Okay. Is there such a thing or such a category as free? I see Frisia. Oh, look. Really, all I want is just something to try to see how it'll work. So I guess I've kind of found it. Now deciding which one. And I hope whoever's out there, if anybody's out there, they could assist, give your input. It just needs to be simple, nothing extravagant or anything like that, I guess. Okay, let me go back. Oh, these are getting into the money. Okay, the Statue of Liberty is money. The DM Machinist Starter Pack. That one's interesting. CNC projects. Let's see. All right, let's do that. Let's download that CNC project since it's free. The pack includes 3 styles of each model. Okay. Now the question is which one we're going to do. Do we do the Griffin? I guess that's a Griffin. Do we do a commemorative that looks like the Scouting America symbol now? Unless they've changed it, or the old Boy Scout one. That Celtic knot, Celtic knot is pretty cool. I don't know, I like that. It almost looks like an eagle head. Okay, well, let's see how we can acquire this. Free, it works. And I'll look at the. Okay, so let's log into download. Where are we at? No idea. Store design, make.com. Oh, it's make.com? Oh, design and make. How come it's not allowing me to log in? No, that's not working. That's interesting. I'm not going to put my password in. Okay, I think I remember. Wasn't there something? No, definitely not that. Well, I definitely got a lot to learn about this program. And I've had it about 5 years now. Keyhole tool path, interesting. Set of editor, wrapping, explore vectors, drag knife tool, DFX batch processor, about gadgets, writing your own gadgets. Oh, shortcuts, done. Clip art, yeah, this is what I'm looking for, I think. Sheets, clip art, modeling. Level 1 clip art. Add folder. See, no, that's what I just downloaded, never mind. Let's see. Come on, mouse.
Robbins buys and DIYs. Says, my ALI have to go now.
See you later, Robin. You have a great day. I'll continue to struggle until I get this. It's tough remembering how to use it when you haven't used it in years, literally. All right, go back over to users. Let's see, this PC's here. Users. And then public documents. And then Vectric files. And then there's clip art. And then, what about 3D? What are 3D tabs? What are 3D tabs? Oh. Huh. Okay, remove folder. No. I don't remove it. Let's add more. Add a folder. Oh, no. We're good. We're good. Here it is right here. Clip art. Let's go to clip art. Let's go to 2D. What is this? Layout. Oh, I see. But see, this is just 2D. Yeah. Let's get rid of this one too. Some weaves. So I wonder, I'm just curious. No, I didn't want to do that. Let's delete that one. Oh. Negative. Wow. It just looks weird when it moves like that. Okay. How big is this? Let's see. Oops. Put that back in the center. All right. Let's look at this. So it looks like this is 0.2, 0.4. 0.6. So half an inch. Is that what that is? Yeah, almost an inch. I wonder if this will work. Let's see. I wonder if this thing. I know I can change it. Where is that? Edit model. Edit, undo size, model, toolpaths, gadgets, machine, add machine. Drawing, modeling. Okay, let's close that. So if it changes, no. Okay, this is what I wanted to do here. So it's 10 by 10 inches, right? Okay, good enough. All right, now let's go ahead and bring in some clip art. Where's the clip art at? Doggone it. How come I don't see clip art on here? Library browser. Add a file tab. Here's. Let's just drag the. There we go. There we go. That looks really intricate though. And that's about 8 inches by 8 inches, right? Won't let me move it either. So that it's 6 by 4, I guess. Yeah, 6 by 5. It's a little bit under 6 by 5. I'm just afraid that's going to take forever. And I wonder if my post processor is right. It's the wrong mouse again. Toolpaths. Show toolpaths tab. Okay. Merge with visible toolpaths. Create job sheet materials tool. Toolpaths. Runs. No toolpaths to recalculate. So that's not going to work. All right. Well, looks like I need to do a little reading up on doing this. Anyway, thanks y'all for being here. I'm gonna hightail it out, go get me some food and maybe something to drink. If I can find the off button here. That's usually the problem, right? Can't find the off button. All right, kiddos. Have a great one. Robin, thanks for swinging by. Neil, Dave, we'll go all the way back to the beginning as far as I can. Henry, appreciate you being here. Hope you feel better. Greg, and I guess Moo Hugs too. And I think that was it. Anyway, y'all have a great day, better tomorrow. And no matter what you do, do it just for fun, guys. Ciao.